About fitting the FLC or fighting load carrier to the individual. First thing you're going to do is you're going to access inside this front hole here behind the zipper this webbing. Now there's a side release buckle here. You can ignore that. That is designed in case the zipper fails, you can reattach the front of your vest. But what you want to do is you want to adjust this webbing out so you have about 4 to 3 inches of excess webbing beyond the buckle. Ensure that you've adjusted the buckle and then take that free running end and bring it out over the end to secure it in place like so. Take all that excess and simply tuck it right back in. Do that on both sides of the vest to guarantee that the vest is symmetrical. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to locate the 2 stiffened tabs on the back of the vest. They are sewn to the vest panels and are releasable just like so. You shape them into a U and pop them out or reinsert them into the Molle webbing. So what you're going to do now is you're going to telescope the vest out as far as you need to so the vest fits around your torso in your body armor. Once you've determined what that distance is, you're going to reattach the 2 stiffened tabs into the Molle webbing on both sides so they sit an equal distance from the metal buckles that support the shoulder straps. Okay, we're going to talk about adjusting the height of the fighting load carrier. You're going to notice that there are a total of 4 metal buckles that support the shoulder strap on the fighting load carrier. What you're going to do is you got free running ends here and elastic keepers here. What you're going to do is you're going to let these out equally so they support the weight of the belt and the vest panel equally, and simply take and roll all your excess material in toward the back of the vest like so and secure them with the elastic keepers. The height of the vest is critical, that it sits approximately 3 inches above your hip bones in order to properly wear the rucksack. So the height of this vest is all adjusted here, and make sure that both of these equally support the weight of the load. This is bad. This is good. The chest strap. This is only used in case you are unable to use your zipper. Either the zipper is broken or you're wearing equipment that's too heavy and bulky to rapidly adjust your vest to. So you can utilize this buckle here, side release buckle, to support the front of the vest only if you're not using the zipper. Ensure you take all this excess webbing and secure it and wrap it around the Molle webbing here so it stays out of your way. Just wrap it around as much as you can and secure it in place. Very easy to do. Proper attaching of your Molle pocket. You've got 2 stiffened tabs, horizontal webbing on your vest or on any of the larger pockets in the Molle system. It is critical that you properly weave the 2 stiffened tabs through the vest and then back on the pocket in the proper sequence. Pull the stiffened tabs all the way down on the first weave. Now pass them back through the horizontal webbing on the back of the pocket. Pull them tight. Now bring them through the horizontal webbing on the vest. And finish off with the last row either on the pocket or on the vest before you secure the snaps. That is a properly attached Molle pocket. you are issued the fighting load carrier in the rifleman configuration, which consists of 2 each 3 magazine side-by-side pouches, 3 each M4 2 magazine pouches, 2 each hand grenade pouches, and 2 each canteen/general purpose pouches. When setting up your system, understand that you've got to set it up in the most practical configuration for you, the individual soldier. Knowing full well that a right-handed firer and a left-handed firer use opposite hands for throwing grenades and loading ammunition, ensure that when you place the magazines on the FLC for a right-handed firer, your hand grenades are mounted on the right-hand side of the fighting load carrier. Also, ensure that your M4 magazines are angled and faced in the proper direction, magazine and bullets toward the right, to ensure that you can quickly and easily reload your M4 rifle. Also, the 2 magazine pouches can be used for many other items besides magazines, to include smoke grenades, compasses, flashbangs, chem lights, any small tactical items you need. So, once you've got the vest set to your size, in other words, set for your torso size over body armor, ensure that you've mounted your pockets properly to allow maximum access by you, the individual. You're also issued 2 hand grenade pouches. The best location for those would be on the right-hand side if you are a right-handed firer, or on the left-hand side if you are a left-handed firer, because that's the hand you're going to be throwing them with. Now you should stack them one on top of the other just like so. The bottom one should simply hang off 1 Molle row. The one above it should hang off 2 Molle rows. Obviously the first grenade you're going to use is going to be the top one, and the second grenade you would use is going to be the bottom one. Attach it to the furthest outside on the M4 side-by-side pouch. The canteen/general purpose pocket should be mounted on the left and right side of your fighting load carrier. Only mount the pocket 2 horizontal rows up from the bottom of the vest. If you mount it 3 high from the bottom of the vest, that pocket's going to sit much higher and will not be accessible to you easily. So only mount it 2 Molle rows high from the bottom of the vest, as you see here. You've got 2 small side pockets on the Molle canteen/general purpose pouch. Those can be utilized for compasses, first aid dressings, and any small critical equipment for your tactical load. The 2 modes that the pouch can be used in is the general purpose mode that utilizes the flap here, just like so, which can support 5 M4 magazines, night vision goggles, various other pieces of critical equipment. When utilizing this pouch for the canteen, it is critical that you take the Fastex buckle, remove it from the flap, take the flap, tuck it down inside, ensuring that the 2 elastic cords that keep the neck of the pouch around the canteen are secured properly. Make sure that these are not too tight to make it difficult to get the canteen in and out. So secure those cords behind, place the flap down inside, take the canteen and drop it down inside. Take the inverted Y strap and secure it to the Fastex buckle, making sure that the free running strap is secured through the elastic keeper. These 2 loops at the top of your fighting load carrier are designed to support heavy items which might be supported in the tactical load. Do not hang heavy items such as breaching shotguns, any critical items of equipment, weapon systems, etc. off of the Molle webbing. These loops here are designed to support those items of equipment.